Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here at All Aspects, but unfortunate timing. Yeah, so my girlfriend's car got hit and run by some old lady and ripped off her mirrors. Yeah, so right now we're trying to get that shit fixed and taken off so we can actually drive it without it flying off. So today we are going to get new wheels done. So I recently bought some new wheels for the 335IS, and pretty much I'm gonna get them refinished and touched up and everything, so it's brand spanking new. So right now we're gonna be heading to the tire shop so we can take off the tires off the rims, and then we're gonna be taking the rims to Devil's Work. So yeah, we're gonna be driving all the way to El Monte today and dropping off the rims so you can be working on those, and then we'll have some new shoes for the 335IS. So yeah, I'll see you at the tire shop. Guys, so after 5 shops I went to, giving me a 4-hour wait time, I'm finally here at Mountain View Tires. If you're in the valley, it's on the Soto and Nordoff. It's right here. We're like Chipotle, McDonald's, and Yoshinoya's. But thanks to them, they're getting my tires off. I have to wait fucking 4 hours just to get these shit off because I'm on a time crunch. But I want to say thank you to Tony for getting these tires off. Whew, what a clutch. So yeah, getting these rebuilt. Garde, let's get them. So I'm here at Devil's Work. David's gonna be working on the wheels for me. Got the sick ass RX-7 too. Holy shit. Yeah, these are the wheels, and what are you gonna be doing to them?
I'm gonna gold plate them. I'll do a full polish finish on them, and then it'll be cool.
It's gonna be sick. Nice.
Yeah, all those rashes will be gone.
Exactly. It'll be all brand new looking.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck yeah. All right, man. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see them.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Guys, welcome to the headquarters. I'm here with Jason. Jason. The boys are working right now, but I got a surprise for you guys. So I've been wanting this carbon fiber lift for so long on my car, and the other day, pretty much Jason surprised me.
Big Daddy right here with that YouTube.
He literally surprised me with a brand new carbon fiber lift. He literally planned it out and had me gone, and I came back to see the shit already installed. Oh my fucking god. I fucking love you, dude.
Of course,
thank you so much.
Want to check out the video you sent to my channel, and you get to see Josh's reaction to this funniest thing ever.
Dude, I was mind boggled because I literally came home like not expecting anything, and then like all of a sudden my car was flipped around, first of all, so I thought someone stole my car, and then I noticed that the carbon fiber lip was under, so I was just looking at my girlfriend like, what the fuck? How'd you do that? And then this fool just popped out of nowhere behind the car and then just surprised me, and I was like, holy shit, dude. And he's known how long I've been wanting this forever, because it literally completes the front end and it looks so much lower and so much better now. But I fucking love it, dude. Thank you so much.
So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be securing this lip, since you guys can kind of see the fitment. It's not that great right now because I only put 2 self-taps on it. So we're gonna actually go put some real bolts and make it stay on for life. Or until Josh breaks it.
Yep, true. Alright, so first step we're gonna do is take off the whole front bumper. Let's get it. Guys, so we just got the bumper off, and now we're preparing to drill into the bumper and carbon fiber lip. Let's get it. We finally got all of them bolted in. We drilled through them, and we put the bolts through, and it's looking mighty sturdy. So
Alright guys, we finally finished. What do you think? Look better?
Yeah, I mean,
And it's on there.
kind of looked the same from before, but now it's fully secured, bolted in, so I don't have to worry about it falling off.
Now you can drive fast.
Oh yeah, and got that nice carbon fiber emblem, the new one, because I did change them out, but then blew out, so I got even a better one.
Damn, swag.
The build's coming along very well. It's a little dirty, so I'm definitely, you need to go wash this shit.
You need a bag is what you need to do. Oh yeah.
I want to thank you again, dude. Thank you so much for the lip. I love you.
Yeah, of course.
It was such a good surprise.
Look at how good this looks. You needed one.
You didn't have to, dude, but I love you. Oh my god, now I could match with you, dude. You and your little carbon fiber splitter. Oh, what's that? God, there's one more thing I have to do today, so you guys will have to wait till you find out. I just painted the devil's work right now, and here are my new wheels. Oh my god, they are so fucking sick. Fuck, these are fucking tight. So clean. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna put his tag right here. Check him out if you need any wheels done. Woo. They came out so fire. Much,
Yeah,
dude.
man, I gotcha.
The wheels came out so sick. They're fucking fire. Well, you gotta just mount them on and it's gonna look sick. I'll make sure to send you all the photos and I'll tag you.
Yeah.
Oh man, dude, it's gonna be tight. Thank you so much again, dude. I'm excited. Alright guys, so we're here at Mountain View Tires. And I'm finally putting on my wheels. Got the car over there. Got my wheels over there. Oh shit, one of the wheels are done. I believe those are the fronts. Woo. And here's the car, boys. Oh my god, looking sexy. Woo. Fucking clean as fuck. AG Avant Gardes. Whew. The rears. I need to get new rotors though. But it's looking sexy. Hell yeah. Alright, you guys ready for the cinematics? But right before that, make sure to, if you need any tires done or any maintenance, just check out Mountain View here on Nordoff and DeSoto. Yeah, they'll hook you up, come through. Alright, well, here's the cinematics.
and